Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, South Cotabato Hymn, and Marcha ng Lungsod ng Coronadal by the CIT Wiyawi Choral.
Congratulations there and to Apartheid. Congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates.
Success is not final. All we need is courage to continue and the inspiration to move forward. Now, let us hear an inspirational message from our dear school president, Engineer John Paul S. Tamayo, NCESG.
Emilia, Tamayo Emilia, and also to Giselle Joan Tamayo Sergito, and also to Dr. Jeffrey S. Tamayo, and to our CHED representative.
Grace Sumagaysay. Laurea John Lawrence Poscablo. Orencio Ana Rose Estores.
Hekoy Mary Ann Aligario. Ramirez Princess Pearl Mayo. Rehas April Joy Machado. Rigolan Yumer Lagura. Revamonte Elzin Shane Halasan. Roda Roslyn Salvacion. Rafuli Joel Nepa Jr. Rosal Gerald Glenn Cabarde. Rosal Mars Santo Domingo. Rosero Jasmine May Ubu. Ruiz Marlene Corteza. Sa
Nicanor Russell Ryan Filonco, cum laude. Escobar A. Puebla, cum laude. Yesenia L.V. Estorba, cum laude.
Miliet Gina Lumuntad. Migdel Jeffer J. Kawayan. Panta Stephen Mark Pandakan. Paras Erickson Dr. Pareñas Christine May Carado. Pareño Edwin Alson Jr. Masaulan Charlie Salcedo. Pat Cyrene Rose Ramos. Patriarca Angeli Poncardas. Peligro John Lofel Rapis. Piña Florida Rolando Vitantos III. Penido John Mark. Pirales Erica Jean. Herrera Don Darius Sanco. Pere Benjamin Chavez. Zuelo Jean Rose Pascual.
Sa gawa sa school, pauli, sa kulong-kulong, or marble. Big help dito siya sa mua, lalo na ipangubusan ng kwarta pang pamasahe. Tungod sa mga bayanon, kung lalo na, nakugit siya katabang, if manimuon kami ng promotional video sa mga tourist map here sa South Cotabato. I remember na aming video shoot sa isa ka subject. And nakaabot mi sa Colon Cafe nga 11 among nag-reach na masakyanan. Imagine, isa pa lang na kaadlaw na ng pasakay. One more pa tong mga ubang kaadlaw. Thank you din sa inyo, pagpasakay ninyo kami, isa ninyo kami kilala. Disclaimer, ga-share ako experience, pero wala kong kapangkitayan. If ever lang na namundan ng kwarta or magipit mo, go, mag-itch mo. Pero amping lang. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our soon-to-be alma mater, Southeast Asian Institute of Technology Incorporated, for providing me with the opportunity to pursue a quality education free from financial constraints. The CIT has been a game changer, allowing me to study despite the challenges posed by the pandemic. I am thrilled to be part of a globally competitive institution that is shaping the leaders of tomorrow. Your commitment to excellence and innovation has not only equipped me with the knowledge and skills I need to success, but I also instilled in me a sense of purpose and responsibility. I am honored to be part of this institution and look forward to contributing to its continued growth and success. Also, I would like to thank the institution for choosing me as a recipient of Loreto Tamayo Most Outstanding Student Award. I am deeply grateful to Chad Unifast for selecting me as a recipient of the Unifast Academic Excellence Award. Actually, bulat din siya. Pwede niyo mapila? I was surprised and thrilled to learn about it when our dean announced it on our page just last night. I would like to express my appreciation for the opportunity to receive free education, which is a truly valuable gift. And lastly, I want to express my gratitude to Almighty God, who has redirected me and guided me. I'm thankful for what I received today, knowing that everything happens for a purpose. Your wisdom and care have been a constant source of comfort and strength in my life. And I'm grateful for the lessons I've learned and the blessings I've received. I trust you work everything out of good for those who love you. As we move into the next chapter of our lives, I want to remind you that we're not just graduating from college. We are also launching ourselves into the workforce. We are about to enter a competitive world where every skills and experiences count.
Having graduated and conferred with a degree, state your degree. Promise to perform my obligation and my responsibilities. To uphold the ideals of the school as provided for in the Constitution and laws of the Southeast Asian Institute of Technology.
We would like to request the presence of our respective deans and program heads